What's up, guys? So today is I was sitting on my porch, and this big old rain snow was coming out. I was going to plan on doing a dirt bike challenge, but today it was raining when I came back, and the rain was literally just pounding on the top of my roof, and oh god. So that was said, I was just going to sit here, and it's my first time doing YouTube, so I was wondering if I can just get a couple likes or subscribers, because it is snowing now. But tomorrow I will be doing a game. I will be doing a game here on this. I don't know. I might do Drift Kings. It's called Racing Kings. So I'll be doing a game with that tomorrow, but I might pretty not do the dirt bike because right now it's soaking wet. But when I'm done with the vlog, I have to go put it up. But look at the storm. I'm sitting on my porch with my cover over my head, and just look. It looks like a freaking Hurricane Latina came back. I'll show you. Everything is just dripping. Huh? Look. I gotta get ready. I gotta put my cover over my head.
Don't give me a snake.
Go back in the house.
Why can I go over here?
Look at the house with the girl. So, what going?
Yeah, that was my jacket.
I want to show you. Okay.